Hello guys. How to trade stocks or invest in the stock market without paying tax. Now here I'm not talking about the 401k retirement plan. No, I'm not talking about that because they say, oh, we are not paying taxes, okay, and the money is deducted before what we call pre-tax in each paycheck for those who have 401k. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something that if you know when you are young, even if you are old, but when you are young is better. I will give you something that it will save you thousands of dollars in your life. And maybe you've heard of this, or maybe you don't heard of this, but this kind of information that I'm telling you, although maybe you have heard of something, but you don't pay attention how useful it is not to pay tax. And the people, they say, well, in America here, when you have a profit, you should pay tax. This is the law. I say to you, in the law, the people who make the law, they make exceptions to the law. Now here, I'm not talking about 401k where you take part of your money pre-tax, and after, when you are 59 years and a half, after that, you can take your money. But if you take your money out, you should pay tax. So this is 401k. Now for me, I am not talking about that. I am talking about another plan that you put money in or fund it, trade as you like, as a normal account, and then you don't pay tax each year. And you say to me, how this is possible? Are you talking about USA here, or are you talking about another country? No, I am talking about USA, United States of America, since we are here. Now, this plan is called Roth IRA. Don't be mistaken with the Roth plan. This is called Roth IRA. What is it? The government has done what we call a tax break. It means they say to you, if you want each year to fund a plan, okay, and you don't be taxed forever. And you say to me, oh, this is good. How can we just go and open this account? Now, this account has limits. It means they don't ask you, you can't just have 20,000, 50,000 and you put it in this account and you trade and you don't have tax. No. This has a limit each year. You can't put more than 5,500 a year. This is for last year, 2014. Now for this year, 2015, it means next year, when you do your tax, they will announce how much money you should put in this account. Now for you, if you are interested to open this account, instead of having a broker account that you get taxed each year, you can get a broker account. It's just another account. It is called Roth IRA, and then you put in one time $5,500. You can put less. It means you can put from 5,500 and less. I think if you are 50 or 55, you can put more. Okay, I don't know the exact number, but you can just ask your broker. Now, What is it? What is the good thing about it? About this is that when you trade as a normal account. It means you can buy options, you can buy stocks, you can invest for the long run. You do whatever you want, okay, as a normal account. Now, the only thing that you can do in this account, permission, is, let's say you put a $5,500 this year. Okay, next year, let's say you need your money. Okay? You can take only your money that you put, but not the profit. Make sure you understand this idea that you just take out from your account only your money. If there is a profit, it should be taken after when you are 59 and 6 months. It means it's like it's the same as a 401k, but it is better than the 401k, because 401k, if you want to take your money, there is a penalty. Half of your money that it is you contribute, there is a penalty of 10%. Okay, if you have a hardship or something. But this account, you can take all your money that you put without any penalty. But if you make a profit, this profit will stay there. They will not let you take there. So what is my suggestion? My suggestion is you try to put each year the whole amount if you save more, like 5,500. Okay? Or less. You can put 1,000, 2,000, but each year after you do the taxes, before the 15th of April, you should put this money there after you do the tax. Because this is what you call a taxed money. It means since this money you have been taxed on last year, okay? That's why the government has taken the tax from your income. Okay? It's very simple. Now, when you do the tax return or refund, now you open the account and you fund it with whatever money you like. Now, if you do it each year, the best thing is to do each year and put more money, put more money, put more money, and you trade. The good thing is, if you make a big profit or you make a good, you buy some stocks and they go so wild and you make money. The good thing is that you are not taxed. And this is the one of the best thing that you can imagine in America. How can you trade and you make an income from trading or from investing, and then next year they will not tax you on this money, on this profit. Okay? Even after 59 and 6 months, and you want to take all your money, there is no tax. And this is the best thing I'm telling you. Now, a lot of people, they talk about these things, but they don't tell clearly what is it. And all this information that they supply you, it's not just they are hidden, but the people, they don't talk about it. Okay? So for me, I share with whatever information I find and I know to all my viewers or my subscribers. I want just to share things that will save you a lot of, it can save you. Understand, for example, let's say if you put in these 10 years, you put 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, and you invest in stocks. And let's say you double your money or you make it triple from 30,000, 40,000, it goes in 10 years, it goes to 100 or $200,000. And then one day you want to take your money that you put, for example, let's say you put 30,000 and now it is 60,000. It means you double your money. Now you can take this 30,000, which is your money that you put at first. Okay? But understand that you can't take the whole money, which is 60,000, until you become 59, 6 months. Understand that. But the good thing is that when you take this money, 30,000 from 60,000, okay, you will not pay tax. Why the government has put this thing? It's just to help people, okay, who try to make a fortune in the stock market without paying tax again and again and again. Now, for example, for me, I'm trading into my account. Whatever profit I have each year, they tax me. Now you ask me the question. You say, Kareem, you are telling us this and you have not done this. Man, I don't know. And no one tells me until I find it this year by myself. Now, when I find it by myself, I called my broker and I asked him about the questions. And then I read about this Roth IRA and I get all the information that I need. So I open an account. But unfortunately, I can't put that much. I put only $5,500 because I can't put more. This is the law. Because if you can put whatever money you like, the big guys who have a lot of money, like the rich people, they can put their money inside these accounts and they don't pay tax at all. Okay? So I think the government has given something to the people who have little money in order to build wealth. So understand that this is not a 401k, because a 401k, all your money is put in mutual funds, in bonds, and in some stuff. You can change that, but you have no freedom to choose the stocks. Okay? But in this account, you are free to do whatever you want. It's your money. You are free. For example, let's say I want to invest for the long run in some stocks. I choose some stocks. I know these companies very well. I see that they are very successful. I see that the stocks is going up each year. So I know a lot about these companies. Okay, I invest in these stocks. But I invest for the long run. It means 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. It's not just, it's not trading. Okay? You can put all this money there and let it settle down to these companies. After a few years, if you can double your money or triple your money, or you are making a huge profit. And then the good thing is that you don't pay tax, which is the most important thing. Please share the information with others, your friends or your family or something, because for me, when I want to share these things, my aim is to help people who don't know about something, or they know something but they don't know how much opportunities you get from these things. These things they don't teach in the schools, okay? They don't teach these things in the schools, because if people, they know that they can trade and they invest without paying tax, man, all the people will do it, okay? All the people will do it, and it will be a very big benefit to the people who have small jobs or people who have little money, okay? But you get a big advantage not to pay tax, which is maybe according to your brackets, maybe 25% or 30% or 35%, depending on how much money you make each year. This is a big deal, because the money that you don't pay this year, it goes to next year, and your account will become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years of investing in stocks, maybe you can have a fortune and a big opportunity to make money without paying tax. Now, if you need to know about this, understand that now you can't open this Roth IRA now, okay? Because you should do it next year before April 15th, next year, when you do the tax. After you do the tax, call your broker, or you can call a bank, okay? Try to see what are the fees for commissions, because if you are trading, let's say you want to trade and you don't want to pay tax, which is very good, and this you do it for the whole life. It means you open a Roth IRA account and you fund it each year, and each year you save money and you put it, because this will be better than your retirement. It's better than 401k that you have no choice. You know that your 401k, they put your money in mutual funds or bonds or CDs that even if you change, but you can't select what you like. Let's say, for example, for you know a company and it's growing good, and you know it, you shop in this company, you know it very well, and you see the stock is going each year better and better and better, and you see that this is the best opportunity for you to invest in this company. Now, the 401k does not allow you to choose the stocks by itself. Maybe the stock of the company you are in, yes, but not any kind of stock. So what do? You do nothing. Because all your money is put in mutual funds. You can change mutual funds or bonds, or you can change. But the problem is that you can't select single stocks. Okay? And this is a problem in 401k. Let's say the market, that's why in the 401k, it doesn't grow like single stocks grow. Okay? A stock, as I told you before, PCYC, a stock was $3. In 2 years, it goes to $257. Okay? Understand that in stocks, you have a great opportunity to make big money that you have never thought of. Okay? Now, 401k, if you have it, it's good because you have the matching of your company, and it's growing the whole life when you are working. But this kind of thing that I told you is without tax, because your 401k, okay, after you reach 59, 6 months, you want to take your money, all your money, because you need your money. Let's say you have 100,000, 150, 200,000, depending on how much you save all your life. Okay. The first thing they do to you is they hit you with tax. And the problem with the 401k, you don't know how much tax is in that year. Maybe now to this year is 25%. Maybe after 30%, they say 30. Maybe in 2030 or 40, wherever, you find that the tax is 35% or 40%. So the government will take 40% or 35% of your money, and all the money that you have accumulated during these 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, they will take that by force because you can't. Okay? It's tax. Now, this account that I'm talking about is that you are putting money, investing or trading, and then when you are 59 and 6 months and you want to take all your money, there is no tax. Now, this needs a planning. Needs to plan for your future and understand what is the best way for you. Okay? And it needs a lot of reflection and this account will give you a bigger help in choosing what you want. Because understand, in this life, you should choose what you like. Don't let people choose for you. Okay? Now, if you succeed, you say, I succeed because I choose that and that. Now, if you fail, you say, I fail because I choose that and that and I fail. You can do mistakes. But 401k, okay? There are managers who choose for you. Even if you change the mutual funds. But there are managers. They are choosing for you always. So you can change some stuff, but you are restricted to these mutual funds, bonds, or CDs, or money market, or wherever. Okay? So hope this information I give you, it give you a reflection. A reflection, it means think again about your future in terms of finance. Okay? Try to plan. Try to see what is good for you, what is bad for you. Don't just like oh, I say, oh, I have no money. From where I get 5,500. No, I don't say you put 5,500. This is the maximum that you can put, and you can put only once in a year before the tax. It means after the tax, after you do the tax return, and before April 15th. It means at that time you should set up the account, which is very easy. You just call your broker. Okay, I want to set up. You put some information. They ask you the bank. You put some money. That's it, and you begin trading like you trade in your normal account, which is very good. You can invest for the long run. You can buy stocks. You can buy options. You can do whatever your account. It's your account and you are free. If you make a profit next year, they will not tax you on that. Please go ahead and try to read more. If you don't know, try to call your broker or any broker. Call him. You say, okay, I am searching and investigating about Roth IRA. So what is it? What are the limits? What are the rules? At least you get more information. Okay? If there are more information that I don't know and you find it, please comment here or send me a private message and I will adjust the information, because this is what I know and this is what I tell you, and it's up to you to go into details and search for these things. This is a real deal for your future, and believe me, there are some information, if you get them on the right time, okay, if you get them on the right time, they will save you thousands of dollars. Suppose that you have this, in order to understand how much is this thing, is this account, if you invest for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, putting each year money there and buying stocks, put each money and buy stocks. Let's say the stocks double or triple. Okay? This is just the average thing. I'm not saying you make 1,000% like Warren Buffett or wherever. I don't say that. But I say that you make real money from this. It's an investment for the long run. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Before you get retirement. And then when you get your money after retirement, you are not paying any tax. The government or the IRS wants to help people by this kind of exceptions. Okay? It gives you an exception because they know that you don't have any money and that you are low income, or you have just some money, you don't have that much money. Okay? They want to help you, but the help is with little money. Okay? Don't expect you have $20,000 or $30,000 and you want to begin next year and you say, oh, I open an account and you put it. They don't allow you to put more than 5,500. I think if you are below 50. After 50, I think you can put more, like, I don't know, like 6,000, 7,000. You should check next year, before April 15th, ask your broker what is the amount that you should put because of your age, and you can open an account and you can do whatever you want. So my aim and my goal from all this channel is just to spread the word of good things that you can do and saves you money. And please share with others, your friends or your family or other things. Maybe your friends or your father or mother or sister or brother or your son, maybe some people have this account. At least they can explain more about it and you can make the best choice. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have more information or comments, please comment on this video. Please thumb it up or subscribe if you don't. And if you need me in something, please send me a private message. Always my email is on the top of the description on the top here. So you just send me an email. And that's it. And thank you very much and have a nice day.